We've got a big project on the docket today. Have you ever seen the Volkswagen Harlequin car? Harlequin, that's how you say it, right? What year did it come out?
96 is when they released that car?
Okay, so and this was a car that came from the factory with completely mismatching panels. It really broke down between yellow, red, teal, and like a dark blue. For years, people have been asking us to do a Harlequin car on the channel. And to be honest, I've resisted. Again, it's a pretty big project, but we're gonna do it today. We don't have a Volkswagen here. We've got my old RS6. It's German, it's Audi, it's technically under the Volkswagen umbrella, so give us a little bit of wiggle room here. We've got some gallons. We've got forest teal, cinnamon red, supermarine blue, and sulfur yellow. Now, we're not the first to do this. I know for a fact my buddy Rob Raybon did this years ago in his Mustang. It came out great, and I'm sure there were others as well. But we want to do it. People want us to do it. We're just going to do it, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is walk you through the process real quick, and then we'll take it step by step. All right, so here's the car. It's already got an avalanche gray base on it. So it's already peelable. We're just putting those colors on top. And essentially, we've got 13 panels on the car, 4 colors to work with. Now, every panel gets its own color, and you use the panel gaps to separate the colors. Now, Gabe was able to find out that even though the Volkswagen factory cars had different color patterns, essentially not all the panels on each one of them were the same colors, they did follow a theme where, for example, the back door colors matched the hood color, the front door colors matched the front bumper. So we've got a little bit of a blueprint to work with. So all we're going to do is work with one color at a time, mask off the areas that we're going to be spraying that color, peel it off, move on to the next color. Should be pretty straightforward, right? We'll see. All right, we are finally finished with the project, and I will admit this was a lot more work than we expected. Shout out to Gabe for busting his ass this week to get the project done on time. Now, I know this isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea, but it is an iconic theme from the Volkswagen world, and people have been asking us to do it for a long time. So I'm really glad we got a chance to do it. We're going to take the car outside right now. You know what to do. Check it out. Leave a comment below and rate this one for us, 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you hate it. And here's what I'm excited about. Imagine putting a hypershift over this. We definitely have to do that. If you want to dip your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, click right up here. All of our DIY kits are in one place for you. Even though it was tough, we had a ton of fun on this project. I love doing stuff like this. We'll see you on the next one.